hope this message finds you all wonker spirits. Well, today is an interesting day. We have our friends coming, Xander and Determined Veteran with the twin turbo Shelby GT350. That's 1,000 horsepower. Of course, we have the Mach 1 here. They want a piece of the Hulk. Hulk, he's been acting okay. We updated tune. We got a little bit of more trans fluid in there. It seems to be happy, but you know, we won't jinx it. Guys, what do we have here? We have the giveaway Mach 1 right near the end. It's happening. Go now, StangMode.com. Grab yourself a hat like this. This is actually the Velgen Wheels hoodie that we got with the Velgen Wheels, but you go to StangMode.com, grab yourself some merch, and to win this car. All right, looks like these guys are late, so enjoy some of the Mach 1 and how good looking it looks. Oh, this could be yours. Go to StangMode.com, grab some merch, and to win this brand new 2021 Mach 1 Mustang. It's retailed at $60,000. You can also get $30,000 cash on top of that. And you get epic merch and our mystery boxes. Okay, I'm done being weird.
What? Yeah, I show up and I'm already on camera.
You know, this is part of the process. What's up, Xander? Xander 13.
What's up, man?
And we got our friend here, Determined Veteran, with what you got here? Shelby 1000? What's up?
Well, what I did was I LS swapped it.
Oh, wow.
I LS swapped it, and then I put like Chinese choo-choo trains on it.
Okay.
And I spent about $30 on the turbos.
All right.
And
full breakdown of the build and description on this channel.
No, just kidding. It's a Gen 2 Coyote with FIC 1000 fuel injectors, OPGs,
Ooh.
4 Innovations fuel system, dual hat, Mantic clutch, NGW short throw shifter.
Wow. How does it drive?
Well, I'll show you the data log. Drives good.
Your New Jersey roads are terrible.
Oh, listen.
Yes. They're not Tennessee.
Yeah, I tell you what. Can we pop the hood? Let's see what this bad boy looks like. How long was your drive?
I know.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. Angie's like, she's over at the folks' house right now. She's 15 minutes away from you.
These tires hold the power?
Oh, yeah.
Really?
Oh, yeah, future tire for me right there.
Huh.
I love it. If I'm out in Mexico, I'll drop the pounds like 25, so it hooks really good.
Wow.
I'm 13 pounds.
All right.
Well,
cool.
you know what's coming from mine.
The
audience don't know yet.
Uh-oh.
Secrets.
Stay tuned to Xander 13.
It's gonna break the internet.
So this is a custom built turbo kit. I use what I have is comp turbo's air cooled setup. So there's no scavenger pump, there's no liquid lines, anything. It's air cooled, proprietary grease.
Nice.
The whole turbo kit is handmade. I've got Turbo Smart wastegates, Turbo Smart blow off valve, this catch can system, which actually has a pepcock on the end, so I can actually, when I service the car, I can take this off, take off the AN fittings, and then drain the fuel, or excuse me, I can drain the oil out of it.
Yeah.
Make sure you edit all that, the ums and pauses, don't make it look like a dumb.
Listen, man. No worries. No worries.
The Gen 1 Voodoo is pretty much glass, like an LT1. You have to build it the whole boost. This car right now, in the configuration it's in, on 13 pounds, did 1,005 to the wheels at 3,600 plus DA. Ooh. Down here, I've had to adjust my tune because the DA is better up here.
Yeah, yeah.
I went from like the world's worst air, and you know, because you've raced down here with me in Texas, to like great air up here.
Yeah. Beautiful, bro.
Yeah, man. Like,
listen, I've always loved the Shelby 350s, man. And,
well, one of your giveaways was a 350.
Yeah, well, we had the Gen 1 Voodoo.
That was a Gen 1.
So that was a 2017, and I had a chance to, the only 2019 up I've driven is at the Ford Media event, and they had explained that they beefed it up.
Well, you're going to get to drive this one today, right?
Okay, shoot. Let's do it.
It's on wastegate.
All right, cool.
So I've got to send a log to my tuner. So
Okay.
I need your weepy.
Okay.
So I can send a log. But
No worries.
don't make fun of my wheels. So everyone knows.
I love the wheels. You know me.
Well, people hate on them, but I ain't got that much money to replace a carbon fiber wheel. I just built a new house, all that good stuff.
No, yeah,
My
listen,
wife would kill me if I cracked a wheel on this car.
Did you get insurance on the carbon fiber wheels?
No.
All right, that's all good.
Ford won't give it to you.
Got
They
it.
won't even sell you a tire package when you have it. So LMR down in Waco, Texas, linked out to me. They said, hey, look, we know you want replacement wheels for your car.
Yeah.
What do you think about these? I said, they're fire, man.
I love it.
Fire,
I think it
man.
looks good. All right, cool. So the plan is today, for right now, Hulk's acting okay. He's very temperamental, but for right now, it's been all right. We did some data logging. I retuned it and put some more trans fluid in there, and it seems to be a-okay. So we'll take Hulk out. We'll have some fun. We'll do a little driving. You, sir, are gonna get to feel the Maverick. So this is complete. Listen, oh, the Velgen wheels. Oh, listen.
I'm about to buy them right now.
I'm gonna tell you right now. These are the VF5s, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, I love it. The car.
Observing judging until some in person.
Yeah.
Probably going to sad silver. Or
Yeah.
not sad silver.
You can go.
Sad black?
Yep. Yeah, matte black.
Fire, dude.
I love these.
Well,
And
I've never seen a GT500 up close.
oh, really?
This is first time.
First time.
All right, I'll pull it out. I can pull it out for you, and we can walk around it, and I can show you. Hopefully, he wants to behave today. So
built engine.
yeah, I mean the whole nine: cam, sleeves, ported, everything. Manly rods, diamond pistons, 11-1. Let me pull it out.
Hulk here.
The last time I was here.
Dude, that thing is freaking gnarly, man. It's the first time I've ever heard that thing start up in person, and the camera and the microphones don't do it justice, man. Don't do it justice at all. I love it, man.
It's so gorgeous.
I freaking love it, dude.
So gorgeous in person.
It's I'm gonna have to rap Voodoo Child. Man, that's freaking sick. Oh, that's nasty.
Yeah.
You know I'm a big Marvel Comics fan.
Oh, love it.
So you know I got the Hulk. I should have called my car the Hulk Buster, son.
Oh,
Hulk Buster.
all right, I like it. Hulk Buster. Hulk Buster versus Hulk. As you can see here, the L&M engine is fully documented of everything that was done. It has, of course, we have the 2.2 pulley, which is the same pulley that Iconic has on his car right now.
I constantly got some good times, man.
Yep.
Yeah.
We have the LMT, beautiful billet lid, tuned by Ken and Rob at Palm Beach. And, you know, any questions you have, let me know.
So, are you going to try to get Hulk's cover to color match the rest of the car eventually?
You know what's funny? A lot of people were like teasing me that it's not this color, but I like the contrast. And, you know, yeah, I like from a distance it looks weird, but when you come up, you see the contrast. This is all billet. Like they machined this beautiful. It actually adds 30 horsepower. Kong Performance, throttle body, DLT intake, SPE pulley, Whipple intercooler. It does have, we're on 1300cc injectors. We want to get up to 1700 as we move up. Lethal triple pump fuel system.
How you liking the lethal? Because like I have to check it out how they're pre-built. Oh yeah. Because I just did the Floor Innovation Field system on mine. That's clean.
Yep.
You can take out my determined better.
No, that's fine. And also, let me show you guys the ice tank.
That's why I asked.
But yep, it's a custom ice tank. I mean, this is the most expensive mod right here. Our stickers from StangMode.com. That's why I have to.
Yeah, enter into StangMode.com
Yeah.
for your chance to win the Mach 1.
Yeah,
and $30,000 in cash.
So, I mean, but the most important mod was the one I just did. These epic carbon bargain dark tint tail lights. So I was waiting for you to notice, bro. I was like, yo, what's up?
And he installed it himself.
I did it myself.
The man is a richer
Listen, yo, you can hire me. Go to StangMode.com. I'll put your lights in, no problem. All right, so our buddy Jack with his 1,000 horsepower twin turbo Shelby 350 called his car the Hulk Buster. All right, let's see what happens. Hulk Buster, we know that was Iron Man's suit that he wore. She's spicy.
excuses.
All right.
Your car's fast.
No, it's fine. That crap. All right, let me send this to my tuner. Determined veteran said this car is not perfectly set just yet, which is fine. I told him, trust me, I know. So I didn't want to like disappoint anybody who was waiting for that. But I did want to showcase these two beasts and tease you a little bit because we're gonna have some racing events upcoming here, and it's gonna be pretty fun. All right, you guys, appreciate support. We'll end the video with some post game. Like and subscribe because you know it never ends. Peace. I can't wait to see the clips.
Yeah, dude, it's good.
I got some good flybys of you too. I did tell people like wait for race mode for us to have some real fun. We were just doing some fun today.
Yeah, absolutely.
So we're gonna have some fun, but it was really good to see this car. This car sounds. Listen, you can't beat the Voodoo. Oh man, when we're screaming. Ah, I tell you what, I had the Toyota 888Rs on Hulk, you know, before too, and went to the Mickeys, but I'm still surprised these hook so well.
Yeah, I mean, I'm only 700 wheel horsepower.
Gotcha.
So, and then I roll into the throttle because my tuner has. So I'm I take all commands from the tower, man. I've blown so many motors in the day trying to be young and hot, and it's just
I'm
too
doing
expensive.
that now, but yeah, I feel you.
But the content's coming. Project Voodoo Child versus the Hulk.
All right, we'll definitely set that up. Yep.
But
today
this
was
a
just
fun. Your car sounds amazing.
I'm just happy the car was working. Like Hulk was happy today,
Yeah.
so I was like, oh, this is good. So Hulk was happy.
No, Hulk was happy.
Yeah.
It's like I told people in my video, they've already heard it, but this car looks better in person.
Yeah.
Than when it 1, 2, and it sounds ferocious.
Yeah.
Actually sounds meaner than the old ZL1 I had.
Oh really?
Oh.
That's saying something because that was bad.
But you took the blower car concept and you took it up about 10 notches compared to the ZL1 build.
Yeah.
Because at the time I was building ZL1 and Voodoo Child, you know, and you know how it is. It's expensive.
Listen, we having blast. It's just the first of many. Xander's getting his car right, and we're gonna have some fun. All right, guys, so we made it home safe and sound. Just a loose clamp right there. We're gonna pull it back up, and then we should be good to go because we are gonna go back to the track with this. But Hulk was fine. Cylinder head temp stayed healthy number, and back on the road in no time. Appreciate you, bro. I had to do a little post game that we got home. Yeah. Hey guys, what I have behind me, a beautiful military aircraft carrier that at one point in history carried planes that went Mach 1 speed. What I have here, a 2021 Mach 1 Mustang. What's the difference between those airplanes and this? You can't drive those planes, but you can drive this Mustang. You go to StangMode.com, grab some merch, and enter win this car at $30,000 cash. Good luck.